Hi friends, today I am going to teach how to preserve gooseberry. Gooseberry is rich in vitamin C and also a immunity booster. Wash the gooseberries and cut it. Boil the water, add green chili little. 1 red chili, turmeric, salt. Salt to be added more as it is a preservative. And gooseberry. Boil until it becomes soft. Once it becomes soft, switch off the gas. Transfer the gooseberries and water in a glass container. Once it becomes lukewarm, do not use steel or plastic, it will get spoiled. Preserve in fridge. After 2 days, check the taste. This will stay for an year. Wow, tasty! Like, share, subscribe my video.